All right, so for right now, I decided to like stop and take some pictures. Usually when I get the car out, is an opportunity to take pictures, and we have an open parking lot. All right, so for right now, I decided to like stop and take some pictures. Usually when I get the car out, is an opportunity to take pictures, and we have an open parking lot. So we might do more than take some pictures, because what I have not had an opportunity to test on this car is the two-step launch control. And I'm gonna fucking do it today. I don't give a damn, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it. I don't know if shit's gonna break, but if I do, I'm not, you know, terribly far, like 15 miles or so. So the hell what, I'll call a tow truck. That's what I pay for insurance for. For right now, I'm gonna take a couple of pictures before we leave the parking lot. Shit, yeah, we're gonna do two-step launch control. And what I'm gonna do is probably get some in-car view and some out-car view to see how that goes. Now, mind you, these tires, I don't expect them to like really hook. We're not gonna be out here too long. We're probably gonna try this shit maybe once, maybe twice. I just realized something while taking pictures, that I might be screwed right there. I got the show plate on, not the real plate. So yeah, I've been driving around like that. So imagine, you know, cops already are biased when it comes to us riding on air, riding static, riding low. Now you can have a truck 10 feet tall. That's modified suspension, and that shit's way out of spec. But they don't even second guess it. But then they see us, they want to pull out the measuring tapes, they want to pull out the bullshit. That's some bullshit, all right? So with that being said, I'm gonna do one test on the two-step launch control, and then we're gonna get out of here. That shit was dope. First time two-step launching. Look at this shit. We have 2 tracks, all right? Now, at the first, you can see right here, considerable amount of wheel hop, all right, coming out. But literally, I think that that is a good launch point. And you can see 2 tire tracks. Now, the right side is a bit more evident than the left. I'm not even sure. And I don't think it had LSD in it, but I'm starting to think maybe it might, because we have 2 tire tracks all the way through. All the way through. Not one time do you see 1 tire track and then 2 pick up. It's 2 tire tracks all the way through the entire thing until I got off of it pretty much. Maybe a secret. All right, air suspension is just adjusting. I think we got to get out of here. Who the hell knows? Who might have saw what security guard eating donuts might be calling the damn cops. So let's get the fuck out of here, because I don't even have my plate off. Traction bar, I think it's something that we're gonna do next. All right, so ride height, let's set it. All right, let's get out of here.